This is help screen, and if you want to update Facebook on your Android phone, first thing is just simply go to the Google Play Store into your device. Now here just tap the search icon at the bottom and the search bar at the top. Now from here just simply search for Facebook, and now just simply tap on Facebook. And guys, when there is an update, you should be able to see here update instead of open, and just simply tap on the three dots on the top right corner and make sure to enable the auto update. Now another thing is just simply go ahead and uninstall the Facebook application. And once you have uninstalled it, you should be able to see here update, and you should have the latest version. I hope these two methods help you understand more. If you do, leave a like. And if you have any questions, guys, just simply go ahead and comment down below, and I will do my best to answer them all. And thanks for watching.